Hey, what's up you guys? Interceptor King here. I got something really special. This is an all-wheel drive V8 Dodge Charger Pursuit package. Has the 5.7 liter Hemi. Now, they did not offer all-wheel drive V8s to the general public. They were only offered to law enforcement. But this takes it a step further than the uniqueness and rarity of this car. This is called a street appearance package. So the all-wheel drives, they have like a different offset, and usually they come with, I'll show you the wheels that they normally come with. One sec. These are the wheels that the all-wheel drive V8s usually come with. It's a wheel cover over the cop rims, but they have a different offset to make room for the all-wheel drive. So, and also they come with, you know, they come with a spotlight, or with the spotlight removed, and usually, you know, no center consoles like that. And then they'll have, you know, like a plug where the light bar was and all that stuff. So as you can see, these rims, they sit in really good. Not with the street appearance package, which I got another one too. They just had a couple of them, and these are the first two I've ever gotten. So I've got that silver one too, and that one's all-wheel drive V8 with 102,000 miles. This one has 118 on it. It's black, so it's got the aluminum alloy rims, which are factory OEM Dodge rims. You can see that, and they stick out just a little bit, so they got a wider offset. This has tinted windows all the way around. Like I said, I've never had one of these before. This place that I got this from had a couple of them, and I got both of them. They said, hey, we'll give you a great deal if you just grab both of them. I said, all right, let's do it. Scooping them up. So I got them. All-wheel drive V8 street appearance package in the Pursuit package. I was just told that 2021, they quit doing the all-wheel drive V8 Chargers in 2021 for the law enforcement. So you can't even get, they discontinued the all-wheel drive V8s in 2021. And I guess maybe they weren't selling enough of them. Dodge wasn't selling enough of them, but I also heard that they went with the 5-speed transmissions on these for the longest time, so they keep that all-wheel drive V8, and I guess they quit doing the 5-speed transmissions. Now they have the 8-speed transmissions, and they couldn't fit the all-wheel drive in the vehicle with the 8-speed transmission. So 2021, you can no longer, law enforcement can't get the all-wheel drive V8s anymore. So 2020 is the last year of the all-wheel drive V8s that were only offered to law enforcement. You can't go to Dodge and get one. You can get a 6-cylinder, but that's it. So this never had a push bar, never had a spotlight, never had a light bar, so there's no holes or plugs or any of that stuff where that stuff used to be, because it never had it. And then we'll go inside here in a second and we'll check the idle hours and all that stuff, but it's got one plug in the trunk right there, and I got nicer plugs for that. So this is a unmarked undercover vehicle. It was not used for regular patrol. This was, excuse my rooster over there, he likes to yell at me every time I do a video. But this was not used for regular patrol. It's got a really nice cushion back seat that nobody's probably ever even sat in. It's got an OEM center console. Look at that. This is a unicorn, man. There's like, you don't find these. Look at that. It's got vents for the heat back here for back passengers. This is an amazing family vehicle. Let's go inside and check out the idle hours. Okay, so this only has 1,456 idle hours with a total of 3,916 idle hours. You got this nice headliner console area where you can put your glasses. There's no dome light up here. This was not a patrol vehicle. This was used possibly as a detective vehicle, but it is not a regular patrol vehicle. It's got carpet. This is an OEM center console from Dodge. The driver's seat is in excellent condition. The passenger seat is in excellent condition. Probably nobody ever even sat in that. There's a little rub here. The center console's got your auxiliary plug-in right here. And a 12-volt plug-in right here. You also have a 12-volt plug-in right there. I've had quite a few Dodge Charger Pursuit packages. I've never had the street appearance package. This is a very unique vehicle. Power seats, carpet, cruise control, Bluetooth, push to start button. I mean, this thing is beautiful. Oh, that's staying on because I turned it off right there. All right. Saying that I'm low on fuel. I just got it a couple days ago. It's low on fuel. But beautiful vehicle. So I'm gonna get some stuff together and we're gonna go jump on the road and do a little drive test. You got a touch screen. You know, you can hook your phone up to it, listen to Pandora, answer the phone right here by pushing this button. So yeah, you got Bluetooth. And gosh, it's just a beautiful vehicle. 5.7 liter V8, all-wheel drive, Pursuit package, street appearance package. Even the front windshield is tinted, I'd say a foot down. So the front windows are tinted and the back windows are tinted even more. They're a darker tint in the back than on the side, but the sides are tinted. So beautiful car. Let's jump on the road and see how it drives. So far this thing, it drives great. The brakes feel amazing. It drives perfect. I will be getting the service records since this was brand new in the mail. So I'll be able to see what all has been done to it since it was brand new. I'm hoping I don't run out of gas. I guess we'll find out together. If I run out of gas, it's on E and it says low range. And I have no idea if I'm gonna make it to the gas station. The gas station is about 10 miles away, so as long as it has like a half a gallon of fuel in it, then I will make it to the gas station. If it doesn't, then guess I'll have to get rescued on the side of the road. So extremely nice vehicle. Street appearance package, very hard to come by. Even I've had 90 something of these and I have not had one of these until now. So all tinted windows, it's black, it's got the aluminum alloy rims, which I've never gotten on one of these obviously because I haven't had a street appearance package before. Got my fingers crossed that I'll make it to the gas station. This is Highway 97 North right here. And my office is in Gilchrist. So if you go to interceptorking.com for current inventory, that's interceptorking.com, interceptorking.com. You check out our current inventory. I'm gonna post this for sale. It's probably not gonna last long because this is a unicorn, man. You really just, I've never gotten one before, so it's an amazing vehicle. Center console and everything, carpet, they're 18 inches on the rims, and they're an aluminum alloy. So this thing drives great. I'd get on it a little bit, but I really do not want to do that with low as my fuel is. As you can see, it's on E or past E. So I'll do another video unless it sells first. It might sell super quick. You never know. They say the average vehicle at a car dealership nationwide sits on the lot for 62 days. This ain't gonna last 62 days. I would love to keep this car, but I'll get more, you know. And like I said, 2021, this year, they do not offer pursuit packages with the all-wheel drive at all anymore. They went with that 8-speed transmission, and I guess they couldn't fit the all-wheel drive components in there with the 8-speed transmission, so either they're going to figure something out or they're just not going to do them anymore. I know that Ford has taken over, I think 60% of the market is those Ford utilities, and you know, if it's just got that naturally aspirated 3.7 liter 6-cylinder, it doesn't have the power that these vehicles have, you know, or the sound of a V8. And look at the dash. The dash is immaculate. So never had a spotlight, never had a push bar, never had a light bar. One plug in the trunk, that's it. Alright, cruising to the gas station. Also, this has a multi-displacement system where it runs on 4 cylinders when all 8 aren't needed. So I'm hoping those 4 cylinders will carry me through to the gas station before I run out of gas. But man, I love this car. Somebody better buy it before I decide to keep it, because I've been doing this for 20 years and I have not had a cleaner Dodge Charger ever. I've had some clean Dodge Chargers, but this one takes, oh shit, I'm running out of gas. I just ran out of gas, you guys. Fuck, I'm out of gas. Son of a bitch. Alright, I'm gonna get off of here, figure this out.